Hello dear children, in this video we are going to discuss about the meaning and the characteristics of business. In the last videos you have already studied that business is a type of economic activity that is performed for earning money. Now in this video you will study in detail about the nature, the features of business and why business is so important. These are the characteristics that you can see and we will study each one of them in detail. So get ready, and I want that each one of you should be very well ready and be prepared with the meaning and characteristics of business when we finish this particular video. So we shall start it now. As you can see that business is an economic activity that involves the buying, selling, distribution, purchase, exchange of goods and services for the main motive of earning profit. And how does profit is earned? Profit is earned by satisfying the need and want of the people. So basically it's an economic activity that helps to fulfill the needs of the people by providing them goods and services which are demanded by them. And why a businessman does profit? Businessman does profit because it is the reward of his getting risk, and it is the main reason why is he performing the business activity. The very first characteristic of business is that of course it is an economic activity. Business is only and only performed in order to earn money. It's not done for social service, neither it's done for satisfying your feelings. It is done for earning money. The businessman takes the risk of business only to earn money. Second point is the production and procurement of goods and services. Business is performed to produce and procure. I mean either they produce it, production करते हैं, या procure means they get it from the producer and sell it to the seller. It's not necessary that every producer, every businessman produces everything. He will get it from the producer and he can sell it to the other person. Example, मान लीजिए as I told, the vegetable vendors, आप सब सब्जियां खरीदते हो, what do? They buy it from the farmers and they sell it to you. So this is procurement. Either the goods can be produced or they can be procured in order to sell it to the customers. So business should have either the production or the procurement of goods as well as services. Services like transportation, banking, insurance, advertisement, warehousing, ये सब भी business में आते हैं. यहाँ goods का कोई प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता, बट आप दूसरे से लेके उसको या तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के थ्रू कहीं तक पहुंचा देते हो, या यू कीप इट इन द इंश्योरेंस, आई मीन इंश्योरेंस लेके उसकी यू रिड्यूस द बिजनेस रिस्क, और थ्रू वेयर हाउसिंग व्हाट डू यू कीप इट सेफली टिल इट इज डिमांडेड, बट यू प्रोवाइड सर्विसेज टू द पीपल हु आर डूइंग बिजनेस. So as you can see, either production or procurement of goods and services is the second characteristics of business. कि in business either you produce the goods or you procure it, you get it, you exchange it, you receive it or send it to the other party. Next is sale or exchange of goods and services. आप या तो गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करते हो और यू प्रोक्योर इट, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट शुड ऑल्सो बी सोल्ड आउट. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बाई द गुड्स एंड मेक इट होर्डिंग एट योर द प्लेस, आप उसको होर्ड करिए या जमा करके रखिए अपनी जगह पे, देन इट विल नॉट बी अ बिजनेस. फॉर अ बिजनेस सेल और एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कि आप जब प्रोडक्ट को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो, सो यू शुड सेल इट ऑल्सो. और अगर आप प्रोक्योर कर रहे हो, यू आर टेकिंग इट फ्रॉम समवन, देन यू शुड एक्सचेंज इट, यू शुड सेंड इट टू समवन. गुड्स का बाइंग एंड सेलिंग, एक्सचेंज, प्रोडक्शन शुड बी देयर इन ऑर्डर टू कंसिडर इट एज अ बिजनेस. ठीक है. एंड सर्विसेज ऑल्सो, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट इंश्योरेंस, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, दीज सर्विसेज ऑल्सो आर अ पार्ट ऑफ बिजनेस ओनली. सो produce and procure the goods always, and at the same time uska sale or exchange, that's what makes it a business. Questions of case studies are asked, like suppose ki Ram is buying goods from ABC Limited and he is keeping it at his place and he's not selling it. Is he doing business? No. Ram will not be doing business till he sells those goods to a party or a consumer who is in need of it and earns money. So it will be only an economic activity once it is done for earning money, और इससे आप पैसे कमा लो. नेक्स्ट इज डीलिंग ऑफ गुड्स एट अ रेगुलर बेसिस. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि गुड्स की जो डीलिंग हो, दैट शुड बी डन ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. यू आर जस्ट बाइंग अ गुड फॉर वंस एंड you are selling it to someone else. Like suppose you got a good shirt from the market and your friend said, oh wow, I just love it, please give it to me. You gave him the shirt and he gave money to you. So now are you doing business? No. बिजनेस मीन्स रेगुलर बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. आपको रेगुलरली सामान खरीदते रहना होगा, रेगुलरली यू नीड टू कीप सेलिंग इट, देन ओनली इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड अ बिजनेस. बाइंग once or twice and selling once or twice doesn't makes it a business. In order to make any transaction be considered as a business, you need to deal with the buying and selling on and at a very very regular basis. एक बार या दो बार सिर्फ खरीदने या बेचने से इट विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज बिजनेस. इट शुड बी डन ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. नेक्स्ट फीचर इज प्रॉफिट अर्निंग. Very important. You can connect it also, as we know that business is an economic activity. मतलब it is done to earn money. And business का reward क्या होता है, हमने last video में difference में पढ़ा था. The reward of business is profit. Businessman bears the risk. Why? So that he can earn profit. और वही profit क्या है, पैसा. And as it is an economic activity, so the profit earning is a big feature of business. Without profit earning, business cannot stand. ठीक है, इट कैनॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. सो देयरफॉर अ बिजनेस इज अ बिजनेस ओनली व्हेन इट इज डन फॉर अर्निंग प्रॉफिट. इफ यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर सर्विस मोटिव, इफ यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर हेल्पिंग समबडी, इफ यू आर डूइंग इट लाइक एन एनजीओ, इट विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ बिजनेस. इट इज ओनली अ बिजनेस जब आप उससे प्रॉफिट कमा रहे हो. एंड द लास्ट वन इज द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ द बिजनेस रिस्क. बिजनेस रिस्क का मतलब होता है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ लॉसेस के चांसेस ड्यू टू अनफोर्सिन इवेंट्स इन द फ्यूचर. आगे चल के सडनली देयर इज एन अर्थक्वेक and your whole business was destroyed. ऐसे अभी जो पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, like this, there is a corona virus pandemic or any other pandemic and there is a lockdown, suddenly your business stops, you start getting losses. आपको we didn't even think in January that in March and April we will see these days all the businesses are shut down, they are having such big losses. So what is this is called business risk, that you don't know what is going to happen in the future and at any time your business may start getting big amount of loss. So ये जो loss earn करने के chances होते हैं, that's what we call as business risk. So therefore business cannot exist without risk. और इसी रिस्क को बियर करने के बदले में बिजनेसमैन या एंटरप्रेन्योर को क्या मिलता है, he gets profit. Profit is the reward of bearing the risk. So therefore no business risk, that means no business. Business cannot exist without business risk. So these are the 5 characteristics of business, that it is an economic activity, it involves production and procurement of goods and services. You get it, either you produce the goods or you procure it from some other place, then you sell it or exchange it with the required party, the goods or the services like transportations and all. Goods means कोई भी physical tangible सामान like copy, pen, chalk, anything. And dealing of goods and services at a regular basis, एक या दो बार सिर्फ प्रोड्यूस करने से या बेचने से आप बिजनेसमैन नहीं हो जाते. You have to do it on a regular basis. It is done to earn money and business risk is an integral part of every business. No business risk means it is not a business. Business and business risk, they go together with hand in hand. इसके बिना business नहीं होता. So these are the characteristics of business. Go through. Characteristics can also be discussed as the nature or the feature. So never get confused कि ये characteristic अलग है, feature अलग है, nature अलग है. They all are the same thing. So basically these 3 are there. So in the next video we will proceed further. Kindly go through it and have a good day, children.